Hey everyone, okay, so this is my favorite skincare device, skincare thing of 2025. And it's Qure, and it is the Micro-Infusion System. And it is incredible. Now what I'm gonna do is do it in real time with you so you can actually see it, and then you'll see the full face and the after, all that kind of stuff. Of all the kind of things that I've used this year, this has been one of the most impressive in terms of results. Firmness of the skin, plumpness of the skin, glow of the skin, all those kind of things. It is incredible. So we're going to start here. Now my face is clean. I've got my glasses on. So I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So in here, you've got your lovely little system, and this is where all the fun begins. So I'm just going to unscrew it, and we're going to pour in the solution. So there's two little potions here. I like to call them potions. They're skincare here. So you've got one for wrinkles and one for kind of dark spots. I'm going to go for the wrinkle one. So I'm going to open this up, and it's this gorgeous little vial of serum. And it's this beauty that is going to help with the wonder of the skin. So I'm just going to pull it up, and then we're going to open it up and pour it in. Right, so just pull it off and then open it up. So we're going to pour the serum into the little vessel here. And then I'm going to screw the head back on. And then I'm just going to turn it upside down, and we're going to leave it like this for about 2 minutes. So while that's waiting our 2 minutes, basically this system improves texture, softness, glow, skin health. It's backed by science, and it's so good that you get to do it in your own home. Now, basically this triggers your skin's natural repair response so that your skin is smoother and firmer and just more beautiful. Now it has these tiny 0.5 mil needles, and they create tiny invisible channels in the surface of the skin. And this serum then of your choice, so you've got wrinkle one, you've got the dark spot one, that just goes below the skin barrier and accelerating absorption of the active ingredients so that you get really quick results. Now the thing is, it sounds intimidating, but micro-infusion, basically it's just ultra-fine gold-plated needles. They are tiny, and I mean tiny, and gentle. I know it sounds a contradiction when you're saying a needle and gentle, but trust me, you'll see it as I'm doing it. It feels more like Velcro on the skin than it does needles. You'll see. Okay, so remove the cap, and we're going to start. Now I'm going to start underneath the eye, working my way across, and you'll see it in real time here. So push it into the skin and release, push and release. Now you can feel it as it's going in. You can see it goes a bit red. And you want to just overlap slightly as well, kind of like 2 or 3 passes. And the skin goes pink. That will die down. But you can see, I'm not wincing, my eye's not doing this. You can feel it, but it just really does feel more like I said, like Velcro. And just gently onto the skin. And you're trying to overlap slightly each time. And I'm going to be a little bit more gentle as I get closer to the eye area. So you can see here the level of redness, and this will dissipate. You know, everyone's different, but for me, it takes about 30 minutes or so, and this just dissipates and all is well. So I'm going to start the other side. So you're overlapping slightly on every pass. I love doing this because I genuinely feel like I'm doing something for my skin that I absolutely cannot get elsewhere. And on bony areas like the forehead, you just want to be a little bit more gentle. Just work your way across. Just like this. And remember, slightly overlapping each time. Because you want to make about 2 or 3 passes on each section. So that's it. That's the face done, and you can see the kind of redness that I'm getting from it. Now, there's usually like a tiny bit left. So what I do is I just open it up and I just pour it kind of into my palm and just smooth it on, and then all over my face. And I just leave it here. Now at this point, all I'm going to do is nothing and wait for the results. It's a simple process, it really is, but I wanted to do it this way so you can actually see what the skin looks like and how it behaves. It's one of the few systems that, for me, I get an instant result. So instantly. The tightness I get, particularly under the eye, which is always my concern, it's so beautiful. The next day it looks so smooth and plump. It's a beautiful thing. But over the course of doing this, over the weeks and months, and it has this cumulative effect where the skin just looks truly epic. Now, as you saw on the screen, in the description bar, there is an amazing offer on this system for you, because I reached out to them. I've been going on and on about this for a long time now. So click the description bar, get your amazing offer. It's gonna be epic, and experience something you cannot get from pretty much every other skincare out there. This takes it to another level. It is absolutely epic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe. It's what separates us from the animals. Barely.